Bob Johnson coming at you again with another video, this time another model railroading branding video. If you said I like those as much as modeling, I guess you wouldn't be far off. But today I'm working on a clock. I got this old clock that was left by the prior homeowners. It was working, but it had really old font and hands, and so I decided to rebrand it for the PK&W. So I took the face out. I sprayed it silver before painting it white because silver is a great base for white. I painted the frame white. I then painted it 2 coats of orange, followed by a coat of clear gloss. And here's what it looked like when those processes were done. I got some vinyl lettering from Amazon. I printed out a 7.5-inch by 7.5-inch copy of the square PK&W logo, pasted it on the front, bought some new hands that were more modern style, and this is how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on modeling. Bob Johnson with PK&W Model Works signing off. Take care.